What is the value of acceleration of a particle? Whereas the value of x and y coordinates of a particle at any time is given in the question. Whereas x and y are in meter and t in seconds. So here the displacement in x coordinate is given as 5t minus 2t square. Similarly, y is given as 10t. Here the question is about acceleration. It's known that the double differentiation of the displacement with respect to time will give us a value of the acceleration. So first we can calculate the value of dx over dt, which is nothing but the velocity. When we are calculating dx over dt, when we are differentiating 5 and when we are differentiating t, it will be 0 and 2, we will get 2t, right? So velocity will be equal to negative 4t. But the question here is about acceleration. Again, we have to differentiate the velocity with respect to time. So it will be negative 4. So this is a value of acceleration in terms of x coordinate. Similarly, for the y coordinate, if we are differentiating to calculate the velocity, we can write dy over dt, which will be equal to 10. So this is a value of velocity. So when we are calculating the acceleration, we have to differentiate the velocity. When we are differentiating the velocity, it's just a constant. So acceleration will be 0 in terms of y coordinate. So here the question is about what is the value of acceleration at 2 seconds. But in the acceleration, there is no value of e. So we can say whatever may be the time, the acceleration will be equal to negative 4 meter per second square regardless of time. So the correct answer here is option B.